Hello, I'm Catherine Camp, founder and director of Living Into the Truth Ministries. I want to ask you, how many times have you felt tongue-tied or intimidated to speak up about cultural topics from a biblical worldview perspective without sounding like a bigot or homophobic? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Do you realize that you feel this way by design? The culture that we live in has slowly and deliberately pushed Christians into a corner and then metaphorically shoved them into a box that we call the church. How are we supposed to speak life into the world around us if we are silenced into submission at every single turn? I don't know about you, but I was always told that we should never speak about religion or politics at gatherings. The only religion that this was meant to affect was the Christian faith. Did you know that? What is always allowed, however, is the religion of secular humanism. And it's time for this to change, right now. My goal is to equip Christians to go into the culture and to speak confidently about challenging issues from a biblical worldview perspective. I have designed a series of lectures on various cultural topics. These topics have been plaguing our society for the last few decades. I want to help you become a more confident Christian so that you are able to engage others with respect and clarity in conversations that will count in eternity. Join me and check out some of my conference lectures to get educated about major issues that affect our way of thinking and how our societies end up making policy decisions. If Christians remain silent, then secular humanism will quickly fill that void. So sign up today to be notified about the next conference seminar and the next educational mini course that will be offered. I will also offer live seminars for groups of 10 or more. Contact me for more information at contact@livingintothetruth.org and sign up for my monthly newsletter to keep educated about new releases and opportunities to join live. That would be livingintothetruth.org. Or sign up for a seminar and subscribe to my Substack at LITT Ministries, or sign up at LITT Ministries Foundations Academy through archhub.io. Thanks, and I hope to see you there.